SSC has not said correct thing to your lordships.
Why we are treated as untrained candidate in spite of having B.Ed qualification?
For an individual 1 or 2 persons, why all these persons will be appointment will be stopped? And SSC has not played a very great intelligent role. They are not taking anything on their shoulder. They are pushing it to the court. The court will decide. Why you are not deciding? Very intelligently, the SSC is doing it.
Yes. Yes.
I am appearing in the item number 96, wherein I have filed an application for addition of party. This is the batch of the writ petitions in item number 96, where on the basis of the undertaking given by the SSC order has been passed. There I have filed an application for addition of party.
What you are seeking by
what has happened?
Being added as parties?
Well, yes, first of all, the naturally vacating of the interim order, and also the petition should be dismissed because we have been selected long back. Now, only for one person, all we have been stalled. Interim order is only for one person. Kindly see.
Yes.
So, sir, prior to the vacation of the interim
order.
No, I understand. My lord is asking what I am praying for. In the addition of party, I was to contest the petition. Then, unless I have been added as a party, how can I file a vacating application? And I tell.
So, regarding the vacating application filed, what is the stand of the petitioner? What is the number of application, Mr.
Item number 96, addition of party. Can 1.
Can number 1.
Yes. Now, my lord, when I will open, I will tell you, lordship, my lord, whole thing has been misrepresented to your lordships. Whole thing. This our 10% was not a subject matter of anywhere except in this writ petition. SSC has not said correct thing to your lordships.
No, I am not appearing for the petitioner.
So in the writ petition, item number 96, who is appearing for? You are for the petitioner. Yes. So do you have any objection if the parties are added based on the application being Can 1 of 2025?
They are claiming they are similarly situated person as the petitioners.
No, I am not similarly situated person. You are not situated. You are not successful. I am successful.
But till date,
I have been asked to appear in the preliminary.
It is that 10%.
Yes,
10% post reserved for para teachers.
Yes. Para teacher, yes.
But the notification.
Now, whether the B.Ed qualification is to be taken into consideration or not.
Yes. All that we have done.
So, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, whether the applicants who are before this court in connection with Can 1 of 2025, they are the B.Ed qualified candidates.
Yes. We are the para teachers for long years, rather decades. Now, when the 2016, the selection process has begun, we made the applications. Then so many things happened, but we were not within that so many things. That was not properly represented. Now, my lord, we have been allowed to upload the marks, and our names have appeared in the preliminary list of candidates.
Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to page 260.
216.
260.
Yes.
My lord, this is for the information of all concerned. A tentative list of eligible candidates as prepared after preliminary verification hereby is being uploaded. Writ petitioners are not there here. We are here. In respect of the recruitment process, first SLST 2016 for upper primary level of classes for the 10% is reserved for para teachers. This list does not contain the names of those candidates who have already appeared for personalities for the 90% segment for which fast-paced counseling is going on. Can you appreciate this? There are 2 parts. 90% is regular teacher, 10% is para teacher. Now, we are within this 10%. Then it may be noted that inclusion of the above list does not guarantee inclusion in the personality which would be determined strictly and according to the prescribed rate 1:4 vacancy and the relevant selection. The calculation of age limit will be subject to the final outcome in WPA 22334 of 2022. That's a petition. And all relevant documents will be verified, checked and so on. So therefore, the attached list should not be considered as the final list of eligible candidates. Now, this is here. Our names are there from up to these 2 page 269, our names are there. Now, by reason of the interim order, my lord, your lordship was not the interim order, I will say. Rather, my lord, kindly see what has happened here. Kindly see, my lord.
So in terms of this, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, in terms of this notification dated 27 November 2024, applicants are the impaneled enlisted candidates.
Enlisted candidate. Now, what has happened? Kindly
Now
come
the
to
petitioners are the outsiders. They are not in
Outsiders.
panel. Now
Correct.
they are questioning the preparation of this panel.
That is the merit of the matter. We'll see to that. My lord, kindly come to page 243.
Yes, what is the case of the petitioner?
But here, my lord, the petitioner, despite having, my lord, the B.Ed qualification, my lord, should not upload the same, my lord, at the time of while, my lord, uploading the documents, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, we have, my lord, the made online application. Our case is, my lord, since we are, my lord, since as per the recruitment notification, both trained and untrained candidates are, my lord, eligible for appointments, my lord. Therefore, our case should be
Now
considered.
the vacancies are there, so therefore
Yes, ma'am.
untrained candidates
Yes,
should be accommodated.
No, my lord, the vacancy is not. My lord, it is pertains to 10%. My lord, selection has not been, my lord, yet commenced, my lord, since personality test has not been done, my lord. Our case is, my lord, since petitioner should be treated as even an untrained candidate. By treating as an untrained candidate, petitioner should be permitted to upload his documents in terms of the notification dated 11th August 2023, my lord. And pursuant to that, my lord, the commission has given undertaking before the honorable coordinate bench, my lord. They will not proceed the matter, my lord, in connection with the similar other identical matters without the leave of the court, my lord. My lord, they have
So
issued
you are not permitted to upload your testimonials.
documents.
Being since you are the untrained candidates.
Untrained. They have treated me as an untrained candidate, but since I am having the B.Ed qualification, my lord, of 2007.
So then why you were treated as untrained candidate in spite of having B.Ed
But
qualification?
I could not, my lord, upload the document at the time of while, my lord, uploading the document. Although I have the
Why
qualification.
you could not upload the documents at the material point of time?
due
You
to
did not have the
technical
qualification.
glitch, my lord. Although I am having the qualification in 2007, my lord.
Yes.
Of 2007, my lord.
7.
7.
But you did not upload the same.
That is our contention, and the commission has also issued a notification.
But you are trained candidates, but could not upload the testimonials in support of your training qualification. And on the contrary, Mr. Bandyopadhyay's clients are there. They are the impaneled enlisted candidates, being a trained candidates who uploaded their testimonials within the stipulated time as specified by the commission.
The vital question is that my learned friend is saying that due to technical glitch, he could not upload his document. The question is that which uploading is he talking about?
Para 18.
If it is the 2016
No,
uploading,
11th August 2023.
Para 18.
23 is not a subject matter here.
Para 18 of
My lord,
both.
let my learned friend show his online application.
Para space 62.
My learned
Now,
friend-
my lord, lordships kindly just, my lord, can I finish? My lord, lordships kindly come to, there the problem, my lord, I will tell you, lordships, my lord, kindly come to your lordship page 257 of your lordship's order.
Page 257
Right, my lord.
of your application. Of your application.
Right, my lord, right, my lord.
Yes.
Right, my lord. Kindly come to page 257.
Just a minute. Yes.
Now, my lord, kindly come to bottom. Last paragraph. It has been submitted by Dr. Partho, learned advocate
258.
representing the commission that since the other similar matters submission made on behalf of the committee was recorded, the commission shall not conduct interview in connection with the aforesaid selection process without leave of the court. The same submission is recorded in the present case. Commission shall obtain leave of this court before conducting interview in connection with the aforesaid selection process. And
Yes.
pause for a moment. Now, my lord, two categories are there. One is 90% category, another is 10% category.
We are concerned with 10%.
10%. In the 90% categories, this commission time to time made this submission, unless leave is granted, will not take. Ultimately, the division bench presided over by Justice Chakraborty upheld the selection made by the SSC. And they have been asked to give appointment in terms of that within a certain period of time, which order was challenged before the Supreme Court dismissed the SL. Now, there was not 14,000 something was this persons post in the 90%, according to SSC submissions. According to them, nearly 10,000, 11,000, I just can't remember. appointment has been given. Now, this 10% was not covered by that. 10% has been injuncted by this order because of submission of the SSC. Therefore, Miller, kindly consider for an individual 1 or 2 persons, why all these persons appointment will be stopped. And SSC has not played a very great, intelligent role. They are not taking anything on their shoulder. They are pushing it to the court. The court will decide. Why you are not deciding? Very intelligently, the SSC is doing it.
So therefore, the selection process, interview is stalled. Personality test is stalled.
Only with regard to the
10%.
Right?
With regard to the 10%. So therefore, very well, let me allow Mr. Bandopadhyay's application, because they are the candidates
Their
who are
names are appearing.
enlisted candidates in terms of the notification dated 27 November
They do not have any
2024,
right.
and let the writ petition be amended, impleting this applicants as party respondents.
As well, but subject to Mallard's kind correction, Mallard, as per the notification dated Mallard 27 November 2024, Mallard, my learned senior friends client is appearing, their name is appearing in the list, Mallard, as they are claiming, Mallard.
So
But-
there are two sets of candidates so far this matter is concerned. In one set, who are the petitioners before this court, according to your submission, that they are the trained candidates, but they could not upload their credentials, testimonials within the stipulated time,
period.
disclosing they are the trained candidates, though they are having the training qualification. On the contrary, Mr. Bandopadhyay, the applicants are there who are the trained candidates and who uploaded their testimonials, and they are the enlisted candidates enlisted for participating in personality
Personality.
tests.
Yes.
That is the issue.
Yes.
Now you want that you should be permitted, petitioner should be permitted to participate
In the
along with
along with
other
this
candidates
in the personality test.
upon treating these petitioners as trained
Yes,
candidates.
yes.
That is the issue. Very well, Mr. Bandopadhyay, I am allowing your application. So, implementing this applicants as additional respondents.
This
My
is
thought
for
that is, we are supporting Mr. Bandopadhyay.
Bandopadhyay's
We have
claims.
chosen them. For them, we want the interim order to
Record
be
an order.
vacated.
But one application, Malad, I had Malad, in connection with Malad, Bhattacharya's Malad writ petition.
One after another. Otherwise, there will be no
But this matter, there was a direction
fruitful
for filing
progress
affidavit.
of hearing of these matters.
I know this
Uh,
matter, there was a direction for filing affidavits. Our opposition is ready.
In this matter,
Yes. We would like to file it.
can 1 of 2025 preferred by 118 applicants in connection with WPA 26396 of 2024 is taken up for consideration in presence of the learned advocates representing the parties. Mr. Kalyan Bandopadhyay, learned senior advocate representing the applicants online, submits that applicants participated in first state level selection test 2016 within bracket upper primary in connection with 10% vacancies reserved for para teachers. Stop. It is further submitted that the applicants are trained candidates who uploaded their testimonials in support of training qualification within the stipulated period, and subsequent thereto, a notification was issued on 27 November 2024 by the Secretary, West Bengal Central School Service Commission, publishing list of candidates in connection with aforesaid selection process to participate in personality test. Stop.
Subject to Mallard's kind correction, Mallard, the notification itself says, Mallard, it does not guarantee Mallard personality test. Mallard, kindly see Mallard, second paragraph, Mallard, first line.
all right.
That is on the basis of the ratio of 1:1.4. Stop. Stop.
My lord, regarding item number
in the writ
90.
in the
My
writ
lord, regarding
in the
item
connected
number
wait please In the connected writ petition, petitioners cases, though they are trained candidates, but they could not upload their testimonials within time in connection with aforesaid selection process. Stop. Prayer is made in the writ petition that since they are trained candidates, they should be permitted to participate in the ensuing personality test along with the candidates who are enlisted in terms of notification dated 27 November 2024. Next paragraph. In view of the rival submissions made on behalf of the petitioners and applicants, it appears that applicants are necessary parties, and in the event writ petition is allowed without hearing the applicants, right of participation of the applicants in the personality test may be affected. Stop. In view of aforesaid consideration, the application being Can 1 of 2025 is allowed. Stop. Department is directed to amend the cause title of the writ petition.
In the appellate side, in the court
6396 of 2024 by 10 days from date, adding applicants in Can 1 of 2025 as additional respondents. Stop. Learned advocate representing advocate on record for the applicants is directed to cooperate with the department in carrying out necessary amendments. Stop. Next paragraph. After such amendment is carried out, learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve a copy of this writ petition upon the learned advocate representing applicants by 7 days thereafter. Stop. Next paragraph. You have filed your affidavit in opposition.
My lord, it is here.
Mr. Bandopadhyay, do you want to file any opposition to this writ petition?
may I suggest, subject to your lordship's permission, may I suggest one thing?
Yes.
That your lordships kindly allow me to rely upon the averments made in the application for addition of party at the time of hearing. If the opposition has been filed, reply is filed, and let the hearing be started of this matter. Otherwise, it will take time. Subject to your lordship's permission, lordship just give me that order that I can rely upon the averments made in the application for addition of party.
Next paragraph. In view of the submission made by Mr. Bandopadhyay, learned senior advocate representing the applicants, application being Can 1 of 2025 for impleadment shall be treated as affidavit in opposition to the writ petition.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Stop. বসে পড়ো।
My lord, our opposition, let it be.
My lord, may I request your lordships one thing?
Yes.
Since the matter is pending for long, since they have filed the affidavit in opposition, let them file the reply. Let the matter hearing be started, my lord, in this matter. That's the
Reply on record. Reply. It is a hearing matter. Me, I most.
My lord, may I file the reply in this matter?
Yes, file your reply.
I mean, opposition.
Opposition.
But we have not received any reply.
এখানে একটা করো, the affidavit of opposition filed on behalf of West Bengal Central School Service Commission in WPA 26396 of 2024 is taken on record.